Welcome back to Gideros and our 3G project. In this video, we will test collisions in the world and the physics engine. So that's going to be this function here. Test AABB overlap. Okay, let's do this. Let me move it here. Okay, we've got the collisions bit set up. Now I need to test the collisions between the missile and the enemy. For that we need to go to the enemy class and add some stuff. Quickly we add the parameters, so x params, and then we set the same we did for the other classes, the params. So local params equals x params or empty table. Then we set params.posX equals x params.posX or 0. We do the same for the y and the z. Y z position and y and z position. Then what do? We've got the matrix, and we can say here in the matrix params.posX, params.posY, and params.posZ. The rotation is okay and scaling is okay. We can keep it like that. Next, we need to add the enemy to the enemies list. Where is it? When I go to, okay, here it is, enemies. We've created the list before, and now we want to add the enemy to this list. So the list is world.enemies. So we can do it as we did for the missiles. So we take the X world, the list. So the list is in the world, so X world dot enemies, that's the name of the list. The key is going to be self.obj, so the graphics of the object, and the values are going to be two values. So I'll create another table. The first value is going to be its body, so body equals self.body, and we create a variable is dirty equals false. So when we hit the enemy, it's going to be dirty, so we can clean it, so we can delete it from the scene. And that's it for the now I need to modify the creation of the enemy. Here it is. So when we create the enemy, we have a new variable here, a new parameter, which is a table. Let's add a table, and position z equals, let's say 8. Let's test. Cool. Got my new enemy. Let's position it on the z-axis 10. Okay, it's moving accordingly, so that's fine. Now I need to test the collisions between the missile and the enemy. Let's do this. We can do it the scene after the scene, so the scene and before the game loop. Let's call it physics collisions listener, and we add world world.set event listener, we will execute this function and we end the listener. So every time a collision happens, it will happen in the event listener. So now I need to test collisions between the missiles and the enemy. I need to iterate through the list. So let's do the missiles list first. For key value in pairs, we take the world.missiles list, do end, and we do the same for the enemies list. So for key 1 comma value 1 in pairs, and we take the enemies list, world.enemies, do end. And now we want to check, let's go back to the wiki, we want to check r3d.world test AABB overlap. So the world in the game here is world test AABB overlap, and we pass the body A and the body B. So body A is going to be the missile's body. So we take v dot body, and the body B is going to be the enemy body. So that's enemy body is stored in the v1 dot body. And I need to add an if statement. If world test AABB overlap body body 1 body 2, then we do some stuff. So if any missiles or enemies in the list, if any of them collide, if they overlap, meaning they collide, we do some stuff. Then we do, for example, we take the score here and we increase the score. So the score is score text field dot set text, and we pass score space column and the new score value. We need to increase the score value, so the score is going to be score plus equals 10, for example. So when we touch an enemy with the bullet, with the missile, the score increases and we set the new score. I think that's it. Let's test. Okay, cool. When I press fire and I hit the enemy, but now the body of the enemy has moved. It's no more in this position, so we don't score anymore. Okay, and maybe let's move the score a little bit to the score text field minus 16, and here let's do the same padding. Let's make it 16 here as well. Now when I hit 16 is not enough, let's make it 32, and to have the same padding, okay, leave it here. Now when I hit, oh, that's not enough, 64. Up. Okay, we may need to change it more. Okay, so that's it for this video. Next video we are going to destroy the missile and the enemy. Okay, thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.